This guy's tire's flat as shit. Hey, hey! Hey, idiot! Hey, hey! Roll down your window. Your back tire's flat, you know that? This one right here. Alrighty. Hey, I'm gonna slide right up there. Trying to be a good citizen, helping people out when I see that they're in need. You know, I got a job making money for the man, putting chicken in a bucket with a soda pop can. I don't think it gets any better. Woo! Just changes the mood, baby. Makes me happy. Wash all that shit off me, wind. Hey, buddy, you know it's fucking 40 through here, right? You got it. Well, anyway, cops got somebody up there, right up there. Ho ho! Truth is, you know, we gotta handle your stress, man. Stress is a killer. Stress is a killer. And, you know, people handle stress differently. You beat your wife, kick your dog, and people have different levels of stress.
Bitch, do you know who I am? I'm not crazy, motherfucker. Bites noses off, motherfucker.
And people's stress, you know, they have to learn coping skills. And one of the skills that I use is riding this motorcycle. Riding a bull, baby. Riding a motorcycle. Whatever works for you. But do it. Do it. Find something. Don't use drugs and or alcohol to combat stress. Your stress will manifest itself in physical ways unless you actively seek out ways to keep your stress under control. It will fucking kill you. You be on top of your stress. All right. So, like I was saying, you know, stress crawled up on top of me a lot of years ago, and I had to go and seek medical attention. My stress was a killer, and it was making me crazy, man. And I tell you what, getting back on this bike right here makes a world of difference for me. I don't know about you, meditation. And the bike is like that too. You can meditate on this bike by being focused. Not meditation by losing focus, but by being more and more focused on what's going on. Find something, anything, see if it works, see if it reduces your stress, and then keep at it, make time for it, make it important to you.
Hey guys, just a few ideas to help you combat the stress in your life. Appreciate you. Like, subscribe, share, and catch me with the next video.